còn tại này Donald Trump ta tỏ thì Donald Trump yêu muốn chỉ Putin tỏ caoแต่มาลอนchỉ Zelensky chỉ yêu lên đóในสมัยเขาตื่นเต้นลำลงกูใช้ย่านใจเราหลุดมองตัวนี้ในเทียงกาเชียเดียโดนัลด์ทรัมป์มุ่งจีเยอปูตินที่ซิเลนสกี้จงเนาะยอมมุ่งจีเพื่ออาชีที่ปอยว่าหายตัวก็จอดรอตู่นั่นนะจะยอมเล่นเดอเป็นลำลงกูใช้หลุดมองโอเคใช่โดนัลด์ทรัมป์หายลิจ่าโอเคจะยอมเล่นเดอกูเราจัดไป
We had some very good talks with President Putin today.
น้องๆจะเป็นกูตรงโดยปูตินชิเจรจาชิตามุตรงเกอ
And there's a very good chance that we could be ending the round, ending the end of that road.
这种那个慕容会炸是被是他是不要我扫到，不要扫到不要扫到做好看呢。
That road was long and continues to be long, but there's a good chance that there will be a meeting very soon.
做好看呢，做好看呢，应包的原地呢，但是嘛，这里讲了不久，原把是不甚至是他到里家，个这里是到。
President Trump is planning to meet with Vladimir Putin as soon as next week and could bring the Russian leader face-to-face with Volodymyr Zelensky together for an unprecedented three-way summit. Putin met with U.S. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff yesterday as Trump's deadline for ending the Ukraine conflict fast approaches.
President Donald Trump dùng ba muốn chỉ yêu Putin ở cái sai sai tàu lúc atit tuần nọ nè, tận đây chỉ yêu tận chạy là muốn chỉ yêu Zelensky ở giờ nó chuyên tới Ukraine nó có sai sai tàu thế nè, còn nó chỉ thấy rõว่าgiờ này Donald Trump nó tổ chức bé tụ nóว่าbé tụ thayว่าxin giúp chấp lại tôi xin chỉ tiền chỉ tiền mua nè,ว่าchỉ tàu bỏ đuôi đi, chỉ nhiều khó ăn hút đó là nó Donald Trump tụ hồng hoặc Donald Trump ở giờ sợ chỉ Donald Trump thứ tôi muốn chỉ yêu Putin, chỉ cái cú sĩ thả tôi trong cơ vấn đềว่ารู้ใจแล้วตั้งใจอยู่ปูตินอยู่ตาเนาะนะ